On this independent practice, your goal is to try to get an 80 or better. So on this ones, it says which one passes through this point and has this kind of slope. So remember, on this one is the y minus. You just move the -2 to the other side, it's going to be a +2. And try each one to see which one is passing through this point and which one has a slope. Same thing for this one. On this one, same thing. And see how I'm trying to make it easier just by moving this number the opposite to the very end. So they're all like that. Let's see. Yep. And this is right here with 2 points, so this is a lot easier than that. And then we go to this one. This one is try the y equals first and then check the 2 points to see if they're on the line. If not, whenever you get to something like this, just move the -1 over to the +1, -1 over, and it becomes a +1, and just check that those 2 points are on the line. This one right here, you need to just match. So basically you're gonna get this +4 to the very end. So you're gonna put here y equals, well, y plus 4 equals -3, parentheses x plus 2. So see how it is not, you can't do that. So basically I'm gonna get this -4 and move it over to the other side, but it's gonna be an opposite sign, so it's gonna be a -4. Once I move it, now I can do that. And then just check it out. Which one matches this graph? Look at this point right here. Look at this point right here to see if it matches on this one. Same thing for 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 this one. You're matching the graphs. That's all you're doing. And that's it. Remember, your goal is to get an 80 or better on these kinds of questions.